Hi guys, if you are looking for a laptop repair service center, then better you can approach Gadgetology, which is in Nellore area. I highly recommend this workshop. Why? Because my laptop has been serviced over here almost 3-4 times, and now I'm not going anywhere rather than this Gadgetology. Once I'll find something problem with my laptop, I directly come to this place and get it repaired. So I'll recommend you all guys to visit over here and have some good experience from Gadgetology. Thank you.